Shalom, Boker Tov. Welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you my favorite German words in the Hebrew language. I divided these words into two groups. We have the group where it is exactly the German word, and then we have the group where it is an exact translation from the German language and it makes zero sense if you don't speak German or if you cannot imagine how a German person thinks. So let's start. First, the same words. Zimmer. Zimmer is a room in German. In Hebrew, the same word is a B&B. And they even use the Israeli plural, Zimmerim. Doesn't exist in German, of course. Zimmer is not a B&B, it's a room. But hey, they use it for B&B. Dübel. Dübel, I love it. Diebel. Diebel, it's a screw anchor. Rezept. The recept from the doctor and not the Rezept from the chef, which is in English a recipe. So, Rezept from a doctor is in Hebrew, Rezept. Plattfuß, I love it. Plattfuß is a flat foot. Plattfuß. Winker, in German it's actually Blinker, but a winker is the turn signal. And the same is for Wischer. In German it is actually Scheibenwischer, so it is window wiper, but Wischer is wiper. Wischer. And in plural, Wischerin. Gummi, rubber, the exact same word, Gummi. Schluck, a sip. When you say to somebody, oh, give me a sip, let me taste your beer or whatever. Tenli Schluck. Tenli Schluck. Biss, the same. Tenli Biss. Let me have a bite. Tenli Biss. And my absolute favorite word, Isolierband. Insulating tape. Isolierband. Hilarious. So the next group are those words that are not in German, but they are coming from German and they translated them exactly from German into the Hebrew language. So if you speak German, you can just do a one-to-one translation. Okay. Wenn schon, denn schon. Impossible to translate. In for a penny, in for a pound, or something like, once you're here, you can do it. You know, I mean, you can do the whole job. Once you have started, you can also finish it. That's where the idea goes. In Hebrew, it is the exact translation of the German proverb, im Quar as Quar. Makes zero sense to anybody who doesn't speak German. Rechtsstaat, constitutional state. In Hebrew, it's the state of law, exactly the same as in German, Medinat Chok. Medinat Chok. Hier liegt der Hund begraben. That's the crux of the matter. But it is translated from German, this is where the dog is buried. Po kavur hakelev. And the last one, Windpocken, chickenpox. Okay, you might also be able to say, yeah, but chickenpox doesn't have anything to do with chicken. Well, I don't know. I'm not a doctor, but I can tell you it has nothing to do with wind. But in Hebrew, it is exactly the same. Aber buyot ruach, windpox and not chickenpox. Okay, now you know, and I hope I see you in the next video. Neshikot, shalom.